Hello and welcome to the second run-in of the Farthest Wins trophy. The venue this time is the My Little Pony Palace. The contestants start at the top, freewheel down the spiral, and the person to roll the farthest wins the trophy, which will be presented today by the princesses Ariel and Cinderella. The race is open to anyone and has attracted some serious racers, some superheroes, a few trains, and then quite a few contestants who have entered for some fun. A good crowd has gathered to watch. Let's get started. First to go is Hello Kitty. Good speed. Excellent start. Now a minion. This could be interesting. Oh dear, our first crash. He's okay though. He's up and pushing his cart to the side. Now our only snowman entry, Olaf. He's filled his cart with snow. Extra weight maybe? Good, and just goes further than Kitty. Olaf, our new leader. Next, Lala Loopsy. Oh dear, our second crash. The minion's helping her though and moves her cart to the side. No injuries, that's good. Now, Sophia the First. No, it's a good try, but just short. Now, George Pig riding a troublesome truck. How fitting. Good speed. Yes, he takes the lead. Well done, George. Now George's sister Peppa in a larger truck. Ooh, now that's too close to call. Peppa and George look level. We'll call them joint leaders. Oh, look at the proud parents. Now the Cookie Monster in a Sesame Street racer. Good try, but probably too many cookies holding you back. Dora the Explorer. Good, probably in line with Kitty. It's all so close. Now the first train, Thomas. He's chosen his wooden body, maybe for the larger wheels. Good speed. Again, so close. Percy, at this time in metal. Oh, another crash. Never mind, Percy. Let's see that again. Or he just can't straighten out. Starts turning and the small wheels get caught on the grass. Now James, in wood. Again, so close, but not quite enough. The first of our superheroes, Batman. Plenty of speed, but the grass acts like a brake and he stops well short, only just passing Percy who crashed. Spider-Man. Will he have the same problem? No. Wow, he takes the lead. Now that's the way to do it. Spider-Man, our new leader. Angry Birds Bomb. An explosive start, but fizzled out and finished well short. Mario. He loves racing and winning, but not this time. Let's see that again. Oh, he just turns over at the end. Now the first of our Cars contestants, Mater. Oh, doesn't straighten up and hits Captain America. That's the wrong person to hit, Mater. Let's see that again. Wait a minute, I don't remember Captain America racing. Oh, apparently he did, just before Batman. But we never caught that. Oh, these superheroes. Now, the last two to race. First we have Bernoulli. Good speed, but pulls up well short of Spider-Man. But did enough for second place. Now, last to go, Lightning McQueen. He's fast, and yes, he goes past Spider-Man to take first place. Well done, McQueen. Everybody gathered around for the presentation of the trophy, and then enjoyed the fireworks. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and take a look at some of our other videos by clicking these clips. See you soon!